Hello, welcome to a quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm just going to show you a quick introduction to a new setting that we developed. What it is what we will exit sales here and then we'll go to software settings. Now what this setting does, for every item you scan, it adds the quantity instead of adding the item again to the cart. This setting was put into place just to save some paper, effectively save paper on your actual receipts, so you're not having to pay out all the time for very long receipts. It's a very simple setting, but it's more just to let you know that this actually exists. So what you need to do, you need to go over to behavior, and then we scroll down, and we've got this one here. Then scanning item increases quantity. We'll set that to true, and once that's set to true, I'll just show exactly what it's actually done. So go back over to sales mode. Just get yourself a barcode. And then what will happen now is I will scan that item. That item goes in. I can scan it again. And it goes in again like so. So literally the more things you scan, the more it will just increase the numbers. So this will make the receipts a lot less long than necessary. So there you have it. Do hope that's been helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Check you next time. See you now.